Hello there! Welcome once again to Crunchware's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to you. So today I'm sharing with you a quick fried tilapia recipe, and I'll list the ingredients in the description box. So as you can see, I've already cleaned my fish. I have removed the color and the fins and gills, and now I am just making these slits or cuts onto it to help it absorb all the seasonings that I'm going to put on it. Doesn't this look beautiful? I mean, the tilapia itself, not what I have done to it, but it's just a beautiful piece of fish. And I'm using 5 of them in total, and I'll be cutting 2 of them up into 2 pieces. Yeah, and so this is the piece of the ones that I cut, and those I make just 1 slit into them. And now I'm using Tone 6 peppers seasoning, which was highly recommended to me by my friend at Veg, and I love it. I love it when she cooks with it. So I just got one for myself, and this is a normal thing that I do. I normally just season my fish with suya spice or khebab pepper and salt. So if the Tones pepper seasoning is not available to you, your khebab seasoning and your salt is going to make your fish just perfect. So don't worry about it if you can find it. And so I'm going to coat my fish and even make sure I put some in those slits or the marks that I have made, just like I'm doing right now, so my fish will get a chance to absorb all these good flavors. And really, it doesn't take much to season your fish. You don't need to get carried away with your seasoning before your fish gets tasty. You never want to overdo it, because you have to bear in mind you might be serving it up. I in particular love to serve people with my food, and so I am always mindful of how much seasonings I put on there, because you want everybody that eats it to be able to enjoy it. And so my fish is perfectly coated now, and I am going to let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to marinate. So I have covered it, and in the fridge it goes. And while it marinated, and was almost time to bring it out, I also heated my oil. I am using my deep fryer today, and I preset it to 375 degrees, and that happens to be the highest setting on my fryer. And so I am going to start frying the fish now. And I like to immerse my basket in the oil before I put my fish in, because I think that helps it not to stick on the bottom of the basket. But it's entirely up to you if you want yours to hang out, and put the fish in before you immerse your basket. And I fried this for like 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes, my fish was perfectly cooked. It was juicy. It was tasty. It smelled amazing. Just look at this. How beautiful can it be? And it was so tasty. And so I transferred this onto a paper towel, a plate lined with paper towel. And that way the paper towel will absorb some of the extra oil, so your fish is not going to be soggy. And then, so now I'm going to continue frying my fish. And I did this in 3 batches before I fried up everything. And really, you don't need a fryer before your fish turns out this beautiful. You can still use your saucepan, your fry pan, or whatever you've been frying your fish in, and just season it with this. It's going to be beautiful, tasty, and you will enjoy it. Just look at this one. It's almost done, and it looks so beautiful. It smells so good. I mean, normally when you fry fish, the smell of it, you don't want to have like fried fish in your house, but this is so well seasoned. It smells good. Like, really, it does smell good in here. And just look at this. Just look at how beautiful this is. And we are going to have some banku with it. I just love banku with peppers. If I can find good kenke, I will just settle for my banku, and normally that's what we do. And this was so good. I just garnished it with some chopped sliced peppers and onions, and we enjoyed our banku with it, with our 3 kinds of pepper, and it was very, very well enjoyed. So I hope you give this a try. It's simple, it's fast, and you will be loving it. I know you will love it. So until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.